Hi, I'm Hugo from SA Maker. In this video, I'm going to make this pipe lamp. The idea for the lamp came as a suggestion of a colleague who asked if I knew how to make such a lamp. I did not, but it sounded like a really good project. Plus, an opportunity to learn a new skill, soldering of copper pipes, plumber style. I bought a bunch of second-hand pipe fittings from a flea market, and the length of the cheapest pipe from a plumbing supplier. My idea was not to become a plumber, but to use it as a building technique for future products. All the people I spoke to said it was really easy if you use the correct materials. I was really excited to learn the new fabrication technique and to film my first success. But before that, I needed to saw the pipe lengths that made up a lamp. I designed a tripod disc lamp for my project. All the joints had to be cleaned before I could solder them. I used steel wool for this. Then for the good part, learning how to solder. First, you coat the joint with flux. I bought a small quantity of flux and soldered from the hardware store. So after tightening the nozzle and the pants change, I continued. Beat the joint with a blowtorch, apply the solder and wipe it off with a wet rag. Now everybody's told me that the solder would suck into the joint, but no matter how much flux I added, the solder did not run into the cavity. So I cleaned up the joint and had a rethink. First, I needed a more fireproof workstation. I used my welding top and covered it with kiln insulation. Then I bought flux and solder used for capillary plumbing. Now, everything was set to record my first solder, and the camera was not recording. Unbelievable. Still, I now had the power to solder the rest of the joints. Flux, solder and wipe. The wiping of the joint cools it down, causing the fitting to contract on the pipe, making for a better seal. I was told that you could solder at all angles, even with the joint upside down, so I tried them all. I attached the light fitting using the same solder technique, and it worked fine. I cleaned the lamp and sprayed it with a clear spray. I found a piece of scrap plastic that I formed into a grommet for the cable. Then I wired up the lamp fittings. the lamp is done. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, go check out my other videos. You can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. The links are in the description.